Hey, it's Brian, and I have some ABS filament here that I need to use for a future project that you'll see on this channel. In order to use it, it needs to be dried, so I went out and purchased a Sunlu Filadryer S4, and today we're going to unbox it, set it up, and see how it works. So let's dive right into it. Let's start with the tech specs. The Filadryer S4 heats to 70 degrees Celsius, holds 4 1 kilogram filament spools, has presets for PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PA, and PC. It has a heater with 3 fans. It takes 30 minutes to heat from 25 to 50 degrees Celsius and 50 minutes to heat from 25 to 70 degrees Celsius. It has humidity regulation mode, which maintains the humidity after your filament is dry. It also has a touchscreen and a LED status display. On the top of the box is a very important warning. No trampling, just in case you want to take your Sunlu Filadryer out into the middle of a cow pasture. Okay, so we got it out of the box. Let's go ahead and take off some of the wrapping here and get started setting it up. Okay, let's open it up and get inside. Whoops. All right, we're in. Let's see what we got in here. Got a little packet of stuff. Is that it? That looks like, okay, that's it. Let's see what's in here. We have some tubes, the instructions, and a power cord. So let's go ahead and attach the power cord here in the back. All right, so let's go ahead and attach the power cord. All right, so we got that undone, and it just plugs in right in the back here. Okay, so now we got the parts. It looks like it's a bunch of tubing. It's got 8 outlets on the unit, 2 on the top on each side and 2 on the side on each side. I'm not going to use it to print directly from the dryer, so I'm not going to plug in the PTFE and Teflon tubes at this point. I'm just going to plug this into an outlet, and then let's go ahead and walk through the screen and the settings and see if we can get some ABS filament drying. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this going. We turned the power switch on in the back, and now we're going to put our filament inside. So we'll hit this little clasp here on the top and open the dryer up. We'll take our filament and we'll place it inside the dryer on the rollers, and then we will go ahead and close the top drawer. Okay, so let's start going through the settings. Let's turn it on first. Okay, so I'm going to hit the set, and let's change it to Fahrenheit first. So I'm going to press the set twice and go ahead, and now we are in Fahrenheit mode. I'm going to press the set one more time, and now this is where we could change the LED. So let's see what happens. Okay, it stays on, it's off, and it's flashing. So let's just leave it in the always on mode. Not that important. Okay, so now we're going to go to PLA. So this is where we got to choose our filament type. So we don't have PLA in there. I don't have polycarbonate. I don't have PA. I do have ABS, but let's keep going, see what our other choices are. We have TPU, and we have PETG, and we have PLA. So let's go back to ABS. Okay, we are set there. And now, okay, that's the timer. So that's good. And here we have the relative humidity. So let's go ahead and lower that because I'd like to keep it as low as possible. How long will it let us go? Okay, so 30 is the lowest, so we'll set it there. And then we have the last setting, which is the MO mode button, or MO1 and MO2. MO1 is time control, so it'll shut down when it hits the time. And MO2 is the humidity control. So when the humidity rises above our set value, it'll automatically start heating until the humidity drops. So let's go ahead and do that and change to that mode. So I'm going to hit set here. Let's go to change that to MO2. And there we are. Easy as that. So this couldn't be any simpler to use. It came well packaged, very easy to set up. Took all of a minute to set it up and get it going. And now we'll just let it run and let the ABS dry. And in a couple weeks, you'll see a video where I'll use this ABS to make a functional part.